Are you constantly arguing with your kids about screen time? Wish there was a magic wand that would take screen away and your children would read a book? I have 3 children that love screen time but also love books. One thing I can tell you from the start, it never helped me to argue with my children or nag them to stop. Oh, here's why. Screen time is more easier, it's better, it's addictive, and it's more rewarding. It also requires much less effort, so it's understandable why we are all addicted to this. Instead of arguing with your kids about screen time, show them that there are other activities that are more fun and more rewarding than screen time. Your role is to help your children find something else that they are passionate about. And here's how you're going to do that. Leave time for them to be bored. Times with no screen time, and they have to find out what to do. Be willing to see them get mad or be frustrated with you until they find what to do. This gave them a chance to discover something, initiate an activity, and maybe find something they're passionate about. Read to them daily books that are so fascinating you can't stop reading to them. For example, we started the book The Hunger Games, and we finished it, we watched the movie together, and now we're starting the second book. Put a spotlight on other activities your child can feel rewarded. For example, my son started playing with juggling balls, so he practices and loves to show us his progress. When they succeed in an activity they tried or created, they see that they have a reward that is different than screen time, and it's rather fun. Offer them some sort of audio podcasts, audiobooks, music. Show them other ways to enjoy something that encourages other parts of their brain to be used. For instance, imagination. Expose them to different kinds of experiences or activities. You never know what their passion is. You never know how they will react to a skateboard or a puzzle or climbing a mountain or riding a horse or playing the piano. You don't know if that's not their passion. Invest in mutual activities, things that will encourage friendship, shared moments, meaningful conversations, anything that a smartphone can't give your child. Make a list of things that you like to do and offer your child to join, cooking together, playing football, scrapbooking, anything you love. For me, it's taking a book that I've never read before and always thought I want to, and then reading it with my child. You can help your kids find other things they love doing, and maybe it's even their passion, and this is how you will reduce screen time without nagging, without arguing. If you want them to love reading books, check out this video.